Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of some Jamaican goodies from my order and then finally reach. So we're gonna do the unboxing today, me and Matthew. But I think this video is gonna be short and spicy. So I ordered these things quite some time before Christmas and thought they would come before Christmas, but they just reached. Thank God, they didn't reach me super happy because it's been a while. It's been a long while since I had sorrel and so many of these goodies in this box. So I'm super excited. Wonderful, super excited. And guys, please remember to follow my Instagram at 1876moy. I will leave the description in the description box. I will leave the link in the description box, and I'll also put it somewhere up here. So anyway, thank you guys for subscribing to our channel one more time. I just want to let you guys know that the French Jamaican family love on a bad. So after 2 weeks, I order the box of goodies, Jamaican stuff. It just a reach with the box tear up and look like outer door in a rain they did there. Although I'm grateful to reach. But same like when you see it, I said to come half tear up. And still I can stay. Now I'm gonna open it. You help me?
C'est plus jeune, là t'as pogné mes strengths. Wow! Need a friend saying that my macaroni and cheese. Okay, I'm mad.
Even the things you love to
We
eat.
have coquillette and you had the cheese come straight macaroni and cheese. So if you tough cracker macaroni and cheese, you have trouble me doing all of this thing.
Kind of like putting bad yourself.
But then I don't go sweet.
Pardon, Jamal. Attends, Jamal.
But là, so fresh.
And after I fish one little bit, will you show me something they look bigger than this?
Christmas done.
Hey, Christmas done, but I gotta drink cereal now. I mean, I have more Jamaican things to them pick the try out. Let me see the bun if it expire. Because I tell her, say, maybe me think the bun go expire. She said, no, it don't expire. But what? But what?
The magnum them, but then bus them. We left them inside because our mistake
January 29, 2021. The magnum them bust up.
open them in a...
Yeah, me I got open them in the kitchen. She should have put fragile pan the box. Atomaya, your glass in the glass. Some of them start run out pan the invoice there already. You put this down right here, sir. That's a finish. And my jerk seasoning, crackers, banana chips. I said banana chips them bit big. But you know I'm gonna look for my cereal now. Christmas past and gone, so I miss the most about Jamaica.
Next year.
But next year they too. After one of the far from Christmas now, my Christmas just not gone last week. Me I draw one pack. Me I go draw one pack. I may never order anything else. 3 bags of tough crackers. Me I go check the invoice anyway.
There's something I want to say quite worry about them.
The whole of them, bro?
I don't know.
No, one good one.
One good one.
I think I 6 me order.
Next good one. Maybe she does one in it for give them more tests. to the brain.
Three.
I don't know, look like the real one.
I don't know.
And shows the sticker.
I don't know. Long time I
This
see
one.
4. And look how me go get the box from last week. Maybe before Christmas, cause she keep it. Now she the man saying the post them everybody else gets them from Thursday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. 5. That means I one broke. I think I 6 in the other.
Yeah, because I have this one. Yeah. Up.
That's the apple bell.